Hello everyone. In this video let us discuss about the internal structure of human heart. The heart is a conical muscular pumping device that brings about circulation of blood in the human body. The broader base is upwards while the narrower pointed apex is downwards and tilted towards the left. The heart is red in color with a size of one's fist and approximate length 12 centimeters, length 9 centimeters and breadth, and weighing about 300 grams. Heart lies in the thoracic cavity between two lungs. It rests obliquely over the diaphragm, and the heart is covered by narrowed fluid-filled membranous structure called pericardium. It helps in frictionless movement and as well as provides protection from the shocks. Heart is completely partitioned into chambers to avoid the mixing of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood. There are 4 chambers appear in the human heart. 2 upper superior chambers are smaller and thin walled. They are called auricles or atria. Right auricle, which is present on right side of heart. Left auricle, which is present on left side of auricle. Auricle also called as atria or atrium. The other 2 lower superior chambers are larger and thick walled. They are called ventricles. This is the right ventricle. This is left ventricle. There is a muscle-made separative septum in between 2 auricles to avoid the mixing of deoxygenated and oxygenated blood. That is called interauricular septum. In between these 2 ventricles, there is muscle-made separative septum to avoid the mixing of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood. That septum is named as interventricular septum. Like that, in between the 2 auricles and the 2 ventricles, there is a horizontal separative septum that is called auriculoventricular septum. By these separative septums, the heart is differentiated into 4 chambers so that it helps to avoid the mixing of deoxygenated and oxygenated blood. Here in the human heart, 4 valves are present to supply the blood from one area of the heart to another area of heart. Let us discuss. There are 4 valves in human heart. In between the right auricle and the right ventricle, there is an aperture that is called right auriculoventricular aperture, that is guarded by one wall that is called tricuspid wall, which possesses tricuspids. And this cuspid wall also guarded by one fiber, fine fiber, that is called chordate tendineae. And on the left side of a heart, in between the left auricle and left ventricle, there is opening that is called left auriculoventricular aperture. This left auriculoventricular aperture also guarded by another wall that is named as bicuspid wall or semilunar mitral valve. And here another valve which is originate from the pulmonary artery. Here the pulmonary artery which originate from right ventricle, which gives rise the 2 branches and enter into 2 lungs on which are present on beside of heart. And the pulmonary artery, at the starting point of this pulmonary artery, there is an opening which is guarded by one wall that is named as semilunar pulmonary valve. And like that, here in the left ventricle, the aorta is arises. At the starting point of this aorta also, there is a wall that is called semilunar aortic wall or also called systemic wall. Like that, in the human heart, 4 valves are present. In between the right auricle and right ventricle, the aperture is guarded by tricuspid valve. In between the left auricle and left ventricle, the aperture is guarded by bicuspid valve. And at the starting point of pulmonary artery, there is a valve, that is semilunar pulmonary valve, and at the starting point of aorta, there is a valve that is called semilunar aortic valve or systemic valve. And here the deoxygenated blood which is collected into right side part of the heart through superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. From upper part of the body parts, the deoxygenated blood through the superior vena cava collected into right auricle. Like that, through from middle and lower part of the body parts, the deoxygenated blood is collected into inferior vena cava also, and supplies the blood to right auricle. And another coronary sinus which collects the deoxygenated blood from the heart walls and also collected into this right auricle. This is about internal structure of human heart.